It's okay, sweetie. I'm here.
Dad, can I talk to you? Today I felt confused again.
Of course, Laura. Come here. What happened, sweetie? About English?
Yes, about English.
Tell me everything.
In school, my teacher asked, "Have you done your homework?"
Present perfect tense.
I froze.
It's okay. That happens sometimes.
My friends answered very fast. I stayed quiet. Some girls smiled, like they were joking. I felt small again.
You felt nervous. That's normal. That is not kind of them. But listen to me. You are not small. You are learning. First, take a slow breath.
Okay, Dad, I'm breathing. I feel a little better now.
Good. I'm proud of you. Now listen carefully. Present perfect tense talks about the past, but it is important now. Example: I have finished my homework. The formula is simple. Subject plus have or has plus V3. I have, you have, we have, they have, he has, she has, it has.
Dad, V3 scares me.
Don't worry about V3. We go slowly. Eat, eaten, go, gone, do, done. Repeat after me.
I have done my homework. I have eaten lunch. I have gone to school. I have finished my work. I have cleaned my bag. I have studied English. I have learnt new words.
Very good. Now let's add some useful words. Already, just, yet. I have already eaten. I have just finished. I have not done it yet. Yet means not now, maybe later. If teacher asks, "Have you done your homework?" you answer, "Yes, I have." Very good. Now let's practice negatives. Have not, has not.
Oh, yet means not now? Yes, I understand. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. I have not finished. She has not come.
Excellent. Now speak a small paragraph.
Today I have learned the present perfect tense. I have practiced many sentences. I have made mistakes, but I have tried again. I feel proud.
Beautiful. That was strong. You should feel proud.
Dad, I feel confident now.
I can hear the confidence in your voice.
If teacher asks again, I will answer fast. Have you done your homework? Yes, I have. Even if they laugh, I will still learn.
And remember, even if someone laughs, you will still learn. That's what makes you strong. I am very proud of you.